Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in consumer goods.
Today, we're diving into the world of oral care with a toothpaste that's causing quite a buzz. David's fluoride-free nano hydroxyapatite toothpaste.
If you're struggling with sensitive teeth or worried about cavities, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Let's start with the basics.
What sets David's apart from your average toothpaste? Well, for starters, it's fluoride-free.
Instead, it harnesses the power of nano hydroxyapatite, a natural ingredient that makes up a whopping 97% of your tooth's enamel. But what does that mean for you? It means you're getting a toothpaste that not only remineralizes enamel but also reduces sensitivity and naturally whitens your teeth.
And trust me, the results speak for themselves.
Just take a look at these before and after photos.
You can see a noticeable improvement in brightness and overall tooth health. Now, let's talk about ingredients.
David's prides itself on using only premium, natural ingredients. No artificial flavors, colors, or preservatives here.
Plus, it's vegan and sulfate-free, so you can feel good about what you're putting in your mouth.
But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about David's toothpaste, citing its refreshing taste, clean feeling, and effectiveness in tackling sensitivity and cavities.
And let's not forget about the packaging.
David's comes in a sleek, zero-waste metal tube, making it not only good for your teeth but also good for the planet. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to sensitivity and hello to a brighter, healthier smile, give David's fluoride-free nano hydroxyapatite toothpaste a try. Your teeth will thank you.